Leiten Smart Visitor Management Software. Voices of Trust. Real stories from our clients.
Leiten Smart VMS is really a great product. Our visitors appreciate the smooth, contactless check-in process. My team loves getting real-time notifications the moment a guest arrives. It creates a polished experience for everyone involved.
Really impressive product from Leiten. With the help of Leiten Smart VMS, we've eliminated the use of visitor logbooks and ID badge printing. It's a smart, eco-friendly solution that aligns with our green initiatives.
Since integrating the Leiten Smart VMS, we've noticed a remarkable improvement in our office security. Every visitor is now properly logged and tracked, giving us complete peace of mind. Leiten's VMS has streamlined our visitor handling process while significantly enhancing the safety of our workplace.
We've had a great experience working with Leiten Technology. Their commitment to quality, reliability, and customer service has made a significant impact on our operations. We're glad to have them as a trusted partner for their Leiten Smart VMS and look forward to continued collaboration.
Usually for entering visitors pass it used to take 5 to 10 minutes, but using Leiten Smart VMS, now it takes less than a minute with QR code check-in. It is fast, reliable and professional.
Are you interested to know about Smart Visitor Management Software? Kindly call the given number or simply scan the QR code to navigate directly to our VMS page and website.